recently got this Z1 MotorSport Exhaust installed on my G. I'm probably gonna get a tune today. I already got a tune done to it beforehand, before I got the exhaust, and still shoots flames. It's pretty nice, but now I'm gonna get a retune. I'm gonna see how that goes. Yeah, I'm gonna go to RealAutoDynamics right now, get this car tuned. Hopefully have some crazy ass flames, make some good power from it. And yeah, I see y'all there. Just got here too, and that shit going crazy, bro. RealAutoDynamics, that shit fucking wild. In a few minutes, we're gonna put my G onto the dyno. Hopefully, my flames are as big as his. I wish it. Yeah, my shit dirty as fuck. God damn, look at that. Dude, look at that shit. That shit is so dirty, bro. That shit is, oh my. Putting my car in the dyno right now. Q50. That is not the stop. They do all types of infinities here, bro. Shit's crazy. Loading it up on the dyno. I'm gonna record the pulls. Oh, look at that shit. That shit's so, man, that shit's so nice, bro. That's so nice. We'll record the pulls in a couple of minutes. No, you good, you good. So I got the cartoon. We're back in the same lot as earlier. You can't really see it during the day, so I'm gonna show y'all during the night. Place this down real quick. That shit is fucking crazy, bro. Holy f. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Cops probably gonna show up. But yeah. Z1 MotorSports single exit exhaust. Get it. Get a tune. Shoot flames. More power. Better overall. Just do it. Bye.